Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Rachael. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am currently at a really exciting place. So excited. I mean, you guys already know by the title, but we are at Ikea. And, oh, I just dropped the keys. My mom and little Miss Willow are with me. I'm so excited. So we're about to go in. I drove the truck all the way here. I'm so proud of myself when we're currently in the city. So it was kind of a little scary of a drive, but you know, I did it. It's fine. So we're about to go in. Super excited. They open at 10, but it's like 9:50 I think right now. So we're gonna go see if there's a line or not, but let's go. Well, we're at the front door and we're the only ones in line. That's great. But you know, whatever. Willow, are you excited to go to Ikea? Are you? Are you excited? Yeah. So, at the door. Hopefully we'll be going in soon. But, yeah.
I don't know why I'm standing here with a mask on. And I don't need it.
Because we're supposed to be with masks on? I don't know. They do kind of suck. But it's my first trip too.
It is? You've never been to Ikea?
Nope.
You've lived a sheltered life.
You did all the fun things before me or without me.
I'm old.
Alright. See you guys when we get in there. Alright guys, we're inside. We actually went to like where the boxes are. I think it's called like the furniture, self-serve furniture room, whatever. First to grab the things we needed. We have them up front on hold. Now we're gonna go back upstairs to look at everything and maybe pick more stuff out. Who knows? So, yeah.
I want to look at the plants.
Okay, we can look at the plants. Little update, we're still looking. We're in the bedding section. We're looking at some quotes and stuff. My mom's actually looking for her bed at the moment. I did find cute little stuff. I'm excited. I will show you guys everything we get when we get out of here. Willow, stop chewing.
I went on the corner.
Hi, princess. So,
Blankets?
I think they're quilts. I don't know. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, it's not that soft. What the heck? I thought it was gonna be super soft. Anyway, I'll show you guys everything
I don't like any of that.
when we go up to the showroom. Alright guys, so we're home. We actually dropped off the furniture at my boyfriend's house where it will be at, because that's where I normally am. Right now I'm at my parents' house. So hopefully maybe my boyfriend will build one of them. He's got class tonight, so I'm not like counting on it, but maybe he will feel motivated and build one and I'll be able to show you everything instead of just showing you boxes. But if not, I'll just show you the boxes. But I do have one thing here. I'll show them to you. They're actually outside right now getting some sun. I got some little succulents. Can you see them all? So this is what hold up. This is the one. I thought it was really cute. I was gonna originally, they came in pink, blue, and white. I was gonna originally get the Willow. I was gonna originally get the pink ones, but I have so much pink in my boyfriend's room that I thought little white ones would be better. So this is the second one. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. And then this is the little third one. Hold on, she wants to come outside, so. And I shut the screen all the way. Okay guys, so it's been literally like a freaking like 4 days at this point. We're finally building the last one. And we're trying to finish putting this room together, but I'm gonna end it here. Basically, we got 2 of these smaller ones. He's building this one obviously still, but they're just the Alex drawers. These are the 5 ones. And then we built a 9 drawer one as well, what he built while I was at work. So that's already upstairs, but I don't want to show you the room yet because I don't want to give anything away. So this is the end of the Ikea shopping vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're excited to see my whole room recreation, and I will see you guys. Or would it be a recreation, or what would you call that?
What?
Like redoing the room.
Remodeling?
Oh, remodeling. There we go. The room. And you guys will get to see the process of us doing that next week. And then the week after, you guys will get to see the room tour. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.